Alright, let's work on the first problem here. Sarah earns $M for every 2 hours of work. Which expression represents the amount of money in dollars Sarah earns for 25 hours of work? So the answer here should be A, right? Should be 25 M. Why is that? Because we can make proportion. We can make proportion for money to time. She made $M for T hours. That equal, which expression represents the amount of money, so we're looking for the money, that's question mark, over 25 T hours. So if you cross multiply, you're going to get the question mark times T equal M times 25 T. If I divide both sides by T, I get rid of the T from the left side, and I just have the question mark. So the question mark will be 25 M, which is choice A. For the second one, Joe rides his bike at an average rate of 6.2 minutes per mile. Which function f of x represents the number of minutes it takes Joe to ride x miles at this rate? So similar to the first one, so we can make proportion, right? So for this one, we're going to make proportion for the time to the distance. Alright, so the time is 6.2 for each mile. That equal, we're looking for the function represent the number of minutes, so we're looking for the time for x miles. So here cross multiply, so you're going to get question mark times 1, which is a question mark by itself, equal to x times 6.2, or 6.2 times x, and that going to be choice D. Choice D. Alright, so here number 3. For number 3, we have a system of equation 4x equals 6, negative 2x plus y equal to 1. What we're looking for here? We're looking for y, right? The solution to the given system of equation is order pair xy, so just we're looking for y. So here we can use substitution. We can substitute from x from the first equation in the second equation and create equation just with y and find y. Or we can use linear combination. So let's work on substitution first. From substitution, from equation 1, what is x? X equal to, if I divide both sides by 4, I get x equal to what? X equal to 6 over 4, which I can reduce it to 3 over 2, right? Which is equal to 3 halves. Now the second equation, it will be negative 2 times x, which is 3 halves, plus y equal to 1. So negative 2 times 3 halves, the 2 cancels, and you just have negative 3. Negative 3 plus y equal to 1. And now add 3 to both sides, you get y by itself. So y equal to what? 4. And that will be choice D. You can do linear combination if I have the first equation for x equal to 6 and the second equation negative 2x plus y equal to 1. All you have to do is just multiply the second equation both sides by 2. Why is that? Because I want to get rid of the x. So I'm going to create negative 4x, positive 4x, they cancel each other, right? So here I have the first equation for x equal to, what's 4x? From the first equation, 4x equal to 6, right? 4x equal to 6. What is the second equation? The second equation, now for negative 4x, right, using the disruptive property, negative 4x plus 2y equal to 2. 1 times 2 is 2. Now if I add these two equations, I just get to 2y equal to 8. So divide both sides by 2y equal to 4. So you can do it substitution or linear combination. So y equal to 4. Let's see what we have for the last problem here. Give it a try. For this one, s equal to 25 plus 4t. The equation gives the speed s in miles per hour of a certain car t seconds after it began to accelerate. What is the speed in miles per hour of the car 15 seconds after it began to accelerate? Okay, so this one just substitutes the time, right, which in second, already I have 15 seconds, so all you have to do is just substitute 15 in here. So you're gonna get s equal to, our equation s equal to 25 plus 4t, right? So if I substitute 4t with 15, because I have 15 seconds, right? So that's going to give us 25 plus 4 times 15, that is 60. So 25 plus 60, that is 85. And the answer, it will be choice C. And that's it for this one.